Hey guys, so this is just going to be a very short video. So I'm going to be reading some of my pictures. So first we have this DNA bar. I think I'm going to be rating this a 7 out of 10. I do like it. It's just that I don't like it how it has less bars and it has way more air. But still a very good DNA bar. So yeah. Anyway, the next picture I have is this spiky bar that I got from Shakey's Pizza. And it literally glows in the dark. Like, how cool is that? And I think I'm going to be rating this a 9 out of 10. I really love the texture. And like squishy, I could just feel so good. And it would be perfect for night. Next is this pineapple this bar. I'm going to be reading this 8 out of 10. I love the Oreos inside. I love how it feels. Yeah. And then next is this Pop It. Hold up. Next is just like, I literally always forget what these called. It's like these puzzle puppets. So they're like blocks, how you just connect them. And I'm definitely going to be rating this one a 10 out of 10. I love the texture on it, and it has super easy pops on both sides. Next is this one. And if you guys are wondering where I got this one, I got this one on Amazon. I'm going to be reading this a 10 out of 10 because it was my dream for joy. And yeah. Next is this penguin dimple. I'm going to be reading this a 9 out of 10. I love it. It's so adorable. And yeah. And I could take this anywhere. I think I'm going to be doing some of my poppers. So maybe I can do this. This burger popper, you have to get it, guys, because this has the best pops. I got this on Amazon for $7. And I love this. I'm gonna rate this a 10 out of 10. Next is this pineapple one, which was my first picture ever. I got it from FIDGET. And it was a while since I've got this one. Yeah. And I think that is going to be the last FIDGET. I would definitely rate this a 10 out of 10. And I think this is going to be the last video I'm waiting for this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. And if you guys want to see a part 2, just like this video. And yeah, bye guys.